Hello everyone, I am Rudula and today's topic I am gonna discuss with you is the air pollution. So let's start to the today's topic. Air pollution is the release of pollutants such as gases, particles, biological molecules, etc. into the air that is harmful for human health and the environment. Now we see what is air pollution. Air pollution refers to any physical, chemical or biological change in the air. It is the contamination of air by harmful gases, dust and smoke which affects plants, animals and the humans especially. There is a certain percentage of gases present in the atmosphere. An increase or decrease in the composition of these gases is harmful to survival. This imbalance in the gaseous composition has resulted in an increase in Earth's temperature, which is known as the global warming. Now we see the types of air pollutants. So there are mainly two types of air pollutants. One is the primary pollutant and second is the secondary pollutant. So primary pollutant are the pollutants that directly cause air pollution, and for example sulfur dioxide emitted from factories is a primary pollutant. And the next is the secondary pollutant. The pollutants formed by the intermingling and reaction of primary pollutants are known as the secondary pollutants. Smoke formed by the intermingling of smoke and fog is the secondary pollutant. Now we see the causes of air pollution. Following are the important causes of air pollution. The first one is the burning of fossil fuels. The combustion of fossil fuels emits a large amount of sulfur dioxide. Carbon monoxide releases by incomplete combustion of fossil fuels also results in air pollution. Then second is the automobiles. The gases emitted from vehicles such as jeeps, trucks, cars, buses, etc. pollutes the environment. These are the major sources of greenhouse gases and also result in disease among individuals. Then agriculture activities. Ammonia is one of the most hazardous gases emitted during agricultural activities. The insecticides, pesticides and the fertilizers emits harmful chemicals in the atmosphere and contaminate it. Then factories and the industries. Factories and industries are the main source of carbon monoxide. Organic compounds, hydrocarbons and chemicals, these are released into the air, degrading its quality. Then mining activities. In the mining process, the minerals below the earth are extracted using large piece of equipment. The dust and chemicals released during the process not only pollute the air but also deteriorate the health of the workers and people living in the nearby areas. Then domestic sources. The household cleaning products and paints contain toxic chemicals that are released in the air. The smell from the newly painted walls is the smell of the chemicals present in the paints. It not only pollutes the air but also affects the breathing. Now we see the effects of air pollution. The hazards effects of air pollution on the environment includes diseases. Air pollution has resulted in several respiratory disorders and the heart diseases among humans. The cases of lung cancer have increased in the last few decades. Children living near polluted areas are more prone to pneumonia and asthma. Many people die every year due to the direct or indirect effect of air pollution. Then global warming. Due to the emission of greenhouse gases, there is an imbalance in the gases composition of the air. This has led to the increase in the temperature of the earth. This increase in earth's temperature known as global warming. This has resulted in the melting of glaciers and an increase in sea levels. Many areas are submerged underwater. Then acid rain. The burning of fossil fuels releases harmful gases such as nitrogen oxide and the sulfur oxides in the air. The water droplets combined with these pollutants become acidic and fall as acid rain, which damages human, animal and the plant life. Then ozone layer depletion. The release of chlorofluorocarbons, then halogens and the hydrochlorofluorocarbons in the atmosphere is the major cause of depletion of the ozone layer. The depleting ozone layer does not prevent any harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun and causes skin diseases. and eye problems among individuals. Then effect of animals. The air pollutants suspend in the water bodies and affect aquatic life. Pollution also compels the animals to leave their habitat and shift to a new place. This renders them stray and has also led to the extinction of a large number of animal species. Now the point is how to control the air pollution. So for controlling the air pollution, we have to avoid using vehicles. People should avoid using vehicles for shorter distance. Rather, they should prefer public modes of transport to travel from one place to the another. This not only prevents pollution but also conserves energy. Then second is the energy conservation. A large number of fossil fuels are burned to generate the electricity. Therefore, do not forget to switch off the electrical appliances when not in use. Thus, you can save the environment at the individual level. Use of energy efficient devices such as CFLs also control the air pollution to a greater level. Then your use of clean energy resources. The use of solar, wind, and the geothermal energies reduces air pollution at a larger level. Various countries, including India, have implemented the use of these resources as a step towards a clean environment.